Let's talk about paraphrasing quotations. So sometimes we need to break down complicated text into smaller bits and say it in our own words to kind of better understand the gist of the text. So we're going to do an example. We're going to break it down. So this is the paragraph that you just read, and it's the one that we're going to practice paraphrasing. First, I'm going to break it down into 3 parts. I'm going to model the first part to show you what to do, and then you are going to try the second and the third on your own. So you can see here that I've broken the text down into the 3 sections that we are going to use. I do this to make it easier for me to paraphrase. Okay, so this is section 1. It says, I never enter the lecture room without a deep sense of the responsibility of my office, without a sense that I have a solemn duty to perform, and that upon what I may utter during the hours may depend the happiness or misery of hundreds, if not thousands, of human beings. When I paraphrase, I want to think about what the words mean and how I can say them differently. Also, when I paraphrase, I try to use less words than the original person used. This is because I want to make it easier for me to understand. I sit and think for a minute what the words mean. So you can see what I've paraphrased here. Section 1 to me says that I always enter the classroom with the understanding that my teaching could mean life or death to many, many people, so I must always do my best to perform. Do my best to be perfect. Okay, now it's going to be your turn. I want you to try section 2 and section 3 on your own.